looks pretty nice. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot.
Hey, Craig Hopkins, and what I have here is a joint project with Autometal Direct and Super Chevy. 1967 Chevelle. Father and son team are going to build this car right here in the Installation Center. This is going to be a documentary series of DVDs showing you exactly what it takes to take a car that looks like this and return it to an original car.
It's alive! Hey, what are you doing?
Chris, I'm putting the car down on the floor system like I always do. This car's got to get to semen, you know it.
But these people don't even know how bad this car was.
Continuing with the cut down, and the cut down really doesn't take that long, but it really is a critical part of the job. What we're going to do is take the whole floor out of the car in one piece and install it all back in one piece. Another neat part that's been developed, especially for this A-body car here, is the inside A-post. It's an area on the car that rusts a lot, and this is a great repair panel for it. You can see again, we've elected to just splice them in the car, but we did spot weld them around the perimeter. Again, it's Installation Center style. We like a factory repair.
Side in there.
That's a great feeling. I have it latched and catched, but I don't have it welded yet. And that's what I want to make you aware of. Look, I have about 5 hours fitting all of the panels in the roof on the car. I have the tail panel doing what I want. The deck lid's doing what I want, the gaps are right, the extensions are on, we have the back glass in the car, we put the molding around there, fit the roof on the car. Everything works. Now's the time we can weld it.
I'm all clear. Push around, Pop. All right, looks good.
Glue down on the bottom of the board. Guide coat your plastic. It is work, but it's rewarding. The AMD Super Chevy Chevelle is going to be so straight. We're really going to be proud of this car. Well, if the chassis is about 99% ready to go, usually we like to hook up the complete exhaust system, but we have one manifold that's still off to the coder and we're missing the head pipes. But I want to stop right here and tell you, I've put a lot of different exhaust in cars. First MagnaFlow system I've ever put in, and I'm here to tell you, it's not going to be my last MagnaFlow system because that stuff fits really well.
You got your bearings? 5 days to go. Well, we have 7 days to go actually. We've got a full week before we have to load this up on the trailer, so we better get the radiator and get the plumbing done on this thing and get this thing fired up.